In this current situation, it is easy to be demotivated and lack energy to do our work. But let us keep ourselves motivated and create something that will help us to achieve our goals by reminding us what we need to do. So in today's video, I have a DIY project for you which is very useful, and that is a task board. It is easy, simple, fun to create and will keep you motivated to do your task. Before we begin, I would request all you guys to please subscribe to my channel because your support really matters to me a lot. And when you subscribe to my channel, please hit the notification bell to get updates of all my latest videos. Now without further ado, let's begin. I have taken a frame and removed the glass. And now the frame is ready to use. I'm measuring just the inside area, that is the display area, and for my frame it measures 8 inches. Now we will cut some pieces of paper, and I'm taking chart paper measuring 2.5 inches for the width. I'm gonna cut 4 such pieces of paper. Now I'm taking an A4 size paper and checking the size whether it fits in the frame. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure the length and then cut the excess. So all our pieces are ready, and now I'm going to draw this kind of pattern. This is how it looks. Now cut it out and we will do the exact same thing for all the pieces. Now I'm trying to adjust all the pieces and check the placement before I stick them to the base paper. For the top, I do not want to keep it white, so I'm using a yellow color paper. And for this paper, I have not cut any pattern, it's just a straight strip of paper. For the topmost paper, we will stick it completely on the base paper, like this. And for the rest of the pieces, I'm going to apply glue from here till here. That is, not at the top part, only at the bottom of the paper. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply the glue. We will place it in such a way that it is overlapping the first strip of paper. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pieces. Make sure the pieces are overlapping each other. And this is how it's going to be. Now let's complete sticking all the pieces. And I see some of the pieces are a little longer, so I'm just trimming them. Now it's time to place it in the frame. You can use it as a planner, a memo board, reminder. This is such a multi-purpose board. This is how it looks in the frame. To add more detail and enhance the boundaries, I'm coloring it with a glitter pen. This will make each section look prominent. And this is the completed look. Now let me show you how you can add your notes. You can just attach the pieces of paper in this way. And here your board is ready. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please hit the like button if you really liked my video. If you're planning to recreate this, Do tag me, my socials are listed below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Stay safe, keep motivating, keep encouraging each other. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Take care of yourselves. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.